This is Good Samaritan. It's a blue trail. It was fast and flowy. I kept expecting for the fun to stop after every turn, but it just kept going and going. As usual, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more mountain biking fun. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. If you're looking for a well-made pair of mountain biking glasses or downhill goggles, but don't want to break the bank, check out Siroko. They sent me a pair of glasses and goggles. I was impressed by the quality, customer service, and shipping times. Their website offers many different styles, colors, and options. If you're in need of some eyewear for the trail, be sure to check them out.